Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's Smart Cities Conclave 2023. The Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is organizing the two-day India's Smart Cities Conclave 2023 at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. The President Draupadi Murmu will be felicitating the winners of the 4th edition of the India's Smart Cities Award Contest 2022 on this occasion. The conclave will witness the participation of all 100 smart cities that are leading a paradigm shift in the practice of city development by being at the forefront of urban innovation. Day 1 will witness the inauguration of an exhibition showcasing the award-winning projects under IAS 2022 and Smart Cities, and site visits to iconic projects in Indore and Ujjain. Day 2 will include the distribution of IAS 2022 awards to 5 states or UT, 31 unique cities, and 7 partner organizations, totaling 66 winners. The Smart Cities Mission will release reports, including the IAS 2022 Award Compendium of Newsletters and an IAS 2023 Award Pamphlet. Now let us discuss the Smart Cities Mission. Launched on June 25, 2015, the Smart Cities Mission aims to provide core infrastructure, a clean and sustainable environment, and a high quality of life to urban citizens through smart solutions. It is a transformative initiative designed to revolutionize urban development in India. Till date, over 6,000 projects worth more than Rs 1.1 lakh crore have been completed, with the remaining projects set for completion by June 30, 2024.